Welcome back to Module 4 of our Payments Industry Masterclass. In this chapter, we'll be taking a closer look at two essential payment systems used by banks for both domestic and international transactions: automated clearinghouse, ACH, and wire transfers. Whether you're making a simple domestic payment or transferring money across continents, understanding how these systems work is critical for anyone involved in payments, banking, or fintech. By the end of this session, you'll have a comprehensive understanding of both ACH and wire transfers, how they work, when to use each, and what their pros and cons are. Let's dive in. Part 1. What is ACH? The Automated Clearinghouse, ACH, is an electronic payment system used for transferring funds between banks within the same country. ACH is primarily used for domestic payments and is commonly used by businesses and consumers alike for a variety of transactions, including payroll, bill payments, and direct debits. ACH operates as a batch processing system, meaning that transactions are accumulated over a period of time and processed in batches, typically at scheduled intervals during the day. Key features of ACH. Domestic payments. ACH is most commonly used for domestic payments. It's highly popular in the US for things like payroll, utility bill payments, and consumer-to-business transactions. Low-cost transactions. ACH payments typically cost less to process than wire transfers, making it a preferred method for bulk transactions. Scheduled transfers. ACH allows for both one-time and recurring payments, making it ideal for monthly bills or regular payroll disbursements. Slow settlement times. While ACH payments are efficient, they are slower compared to wire transfers. Typically, ACH payments can take 1 to 3 business days to settle. How does ACH work? Here's how the ACH process works in a simple example of a payroll transfer. Initiation. The employer submits an ACH batch to their bank to pay employee salaries. Batch processing. The bank sends the payment batch to the ACH network. Clearing. The ACH network sorts the transactions and forwards them to the respective banks. Settlement. The employee's accounts are credited with the correct amounts and the employer's bank is debited. While the system is efficient and cost-effective, the trade-off is that ACH payments can take a few days to clear, depending on the processing schedules and the banks involved. Part 2. What are wire transfers? Wire transfers, on the other hand, are typically used for faster, real-time payments, often across borders. Unlike ACH, which processes payments in batches, wire transfers are processed individually and in real time. Wire transfers are ideal for high-value transactions, international transfers, or urgent payments. Common wire transfer systems include the SWIFT network for international transfers and CHIPS, Clearinghouse Interbank Payment System, in the US for domestic transfers. Key features of wire transfers. Domestic and international transfers. Wire transfers can be used both domestically and internationally. Fast settlement times. Wire transfers are processed almost instantly or within the same business day, making them ideal for urgent payments. Higher fees. Compared to ACH, wire transfers come with higher fees. These can range from $10 to $50 or more per transaction, depending on the bank and destination. Secure and traceable. Wire transfers are highly secure and offer real-time tracking, making them ideal for high-value or time-sensitive transactions. No chargebacks. Unlike ACH payments, once a wire transfer is completed, it cannot be reversed or charged back. How do wire transfers work? Let's go through a simple example of an international wire transfer. Initiation. A business in the US requests a wire transfer to pay a supplier in the UK. Transmission. The US business's bank sends a payment instruction to a network like SWIFT, which securely forwards it to the receiving bank in the UK. Verification and clearance. The receiving bank in the UK verifies the payment, clears the funds, and credits the supplier's account. Settlement. The US business's bank is debited and the supplier's account is credited. Wire transfers are particularly valuable for transactions that require immediate settlement, such as real estate purchases, international contracts, or last-minute payments to vendors. While wire transfers offer speed, they come at a cost, which is typically higher than ACH transfers. Part 3. Advantages and disadvantages. Advantages of ACH. Cost-effective, perfect for recurring, small or medium-sized transactions. Convenient. ideal for bill payments, payroll, and other routine transactions. Automated. ACH payments can be scheduled for future dates, making it a great tool for regular payments. Disadvantages of ACH. Slow, ACH payments can take a few days to settle, especially compared to wire transfers. Limited global reach. ACH is typically restricted to the US, though other countries have their own systems, for example, SEPA in Europe. Advantages of wire transfers. Speed. Wire transfers are fast, often settled within hours. Security. The security protocols in wire transfers are robust, ensuring that funds are transferred safely. Global reach. Wire transfers are commonly used for international payments. Disadvantages of wire transfers. High fees. Wire transfers often come with high processing fees, especially for international transfers. Irreversibility. Once a wire transfer is completed, it cannot be undone, which can be risky if a mistake is made. Part 4. Emerging trends and future of ACH and wire transfers. As digital payments evolve, both ACH and wire transfers are adapting. Real-time payments. Real-time ACH systems are emerging in several countries, including the US, with the clearinghouses RTP Network and Zelle providing faster alternatives to traditional ACH systems. Blockchain and cryptocurrencies. As blockchain technology matures, it could reduce the cost and increase the speed of both ACH and wire transfers, especially for cross-border payments. Cross-border ACH. Efforts are underway to make ACH more efficient for international payments, helping to reduce the reliance on expensive wire transfers. Conclusion. Both ACH and wire transfers are essential components of the global payment system. They each have their own strengths, and depending on your needs, whether it's cost, speed, or security, you'll choose one or the other. Understanding these systems will give you an edge when it comes to managing payments, whether you're a business owner, a fintech professional, or someone involved in global finance. In the next chapter, we'll explore cross-border payment systems and how banks, fintechs, and card networks are handling international money transfers. Thank you for watching, and I look forward to seeing you in the next session.